How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name is Will and you're at WW Mods. If you'll notice behind me back here, it looks like we've got some cranes and a little bit of construction equipment. And the reason for that is I'm in Danville, Virginia today, and I am just across the street from the home, the eventual home of the new Caesars Casino. So I thought it'd be a good idea to put the Mavic 3 up in the air, get a couple of shots, document their progress and see how things go. So this will be video number 1. They've been working for a couple of weeks. I gave them a little bit of time. They had to tear down an old mill that was here at this site, and they decided to leave the smokestacks. You can see them off in the background over there. They decided to leave those, and they're going to build a casino and a hotel on this particular site. They've also erected this huge tent that is going to be a temporary gambling facility until they get the main casino up and running. I don't know what the time frame on it is. I assume it's going to be at least a couple of years. So I'm going to do a little bit of documenting, flying around, recording their progress, see how things go. So guys, I got the Mavic 3 with me here today, and I'm going to get up before it gets too dark. We're right in that golden hour time, so let's see what kind of shots we can get and see what they've been doing. So guys, please stay tuned. All right, guys, sun's on its way down. Got a few shots. As you can see, they have not got a great deal done. Looks like they've dug some type of tunnel or something that's going to be a tunnel, or the basement or something to the actual hotel or casino. Not sure which, but I'm sure that it will start to look like something in the coming weeks. I'll come by and see if I can document a little bit more of what's going on as the weeks go by. And I've got another video coming up probably tomorrow or the next day. It's going to be I'm going to talk about the remotes for the DJI Mavic 3. You got the RC-N1, which is the standard, and then you got the RC, and then you got the RC Pro. But we're going to go through, talk all about all of those, and see which one might be the best for you. So guys, with all that being said, it's getting dark, so I'm going to hightail it back to the house. And I hope you liked this video. Hope you found something interesting. And like always, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because it really does help my channel grow. You know how YouTube is with all their algorithms and all their fancy scales that you have to meet. You have to have so many views, so many likes, so many subscribers. It's really tough these days. But guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.